Listen, don't go to Turkey and get ripped off. Come over, go somewhere that you like the people. Don't get ripped off by prices. Don't feel pressured into buying something or paying a price that you don't want to pay. But when you're out here and you walk in these shops, not just this shop, but any clothes shop you go in, have a good look around. And if you go in other ones which are a lot smaller than this, sometimes you feel a bit pressured into buying things. You don't get that here. It's so big, you just walk around, choose what you want, and all the prices are on the shelf. So I'm back at Best Bargain Buys in Ishmael. A few of you started asking me earlier, they were like, when are you going to a clothes shop? When are you going to a clothes shop? Well, my mate is in Sunny Marmaris, so sunnymarmaris.co.uk, check it out, the website. He's in the brochure, so I was like, can we go in even though you're not really open? So the place isn't open, it's still getting ready to open for the season, but it still looks class. You know, you walk around, you're like, oh, I want that, I want that, I want that. So I'm going to show you it now, so everyone share the post. And here we are in Best Bargain Buys. Bosh, new Ronaldo kit. Look at this, I think Teddy and Oscar need one of these. See, I remember when I bought one in Istanbul in January, and it was bad, wasn't it? It was really bad. Even the shorts that I got in Istanbul, they didn't have no embroidered, they didn't have no print, no nothing, just blue shorts. Wow, look at these. Every football team you can imagine. Liverpool, Paris Saint-Germain, Celtic, Chelsea, Rangers, City, Arsenal. All new football tracksuits. Then over here, look at these kids' clothes. Jesus. Everyone share this post now. And this is the type of thing you can get in Turkey. And I'm in Ishmael, Best Bargain Buys. All these new? Yeah. New season?
This is old new season.
And how much is this? 25? No way. £25. I'll give you 10. 5. £10.
Dana.
All the same? All the Moncler ones?
All the same. Moncler, North Face also.
But when you're out here and you walk in these shops, not just this shop, but any clothes shop you go in, have a good look around. And if you go in other ones which are a lot smaller than this, sometimes you feel a bit pressured into buying things. You don't get that here. It's so big, you just walk around, choose what you want, and all the prices are on the shelf. So they're there telling you what the price is, so there's no haggling or anything like that. You just go, you just come here, Best Bargain Buys in Ishmael, pick what you want, the price is on the shelf, bosh. How much are the Canada Goose jackets? Let's find out. But mate, Canada Goose, how much? £60. Wow, that looks nice and warm, that. What size is this?
All inside Canada Goose.
What size?
Loaded. Extra large.
Extra large. So I'm usually an extra large. Would you get the next size up?
Next size up.
Next size, what? Double XL as well. You know, these are all this season's: United, Paris Saint-Germain, Liverpool, Chelsea, City, Newcastle, the England top, plenty of England tops still left. They'll still be in season. Borussia Dortmund, Tottenham, other Liverpool ones. Then you've got some basketball tops, Barcelona, Wolves. Someone was just asking about Wolves. And hopefully when you come out, you might pop and see him. Whoa, this is like shoe zone, shoe heaven, shoe universe. Look at all this. And it's been brand new, fitted out, kitted out. Best Bargain Buys, the shoe shop. So this is just two along from Best Bargain Buys where all the clothes are. But look at all these shoes. I've just rang the kids and I'm like, kids, what size are you, Teddy? What size are you, Ali? What size are you, Oscar? And I'm going to show you everything. So any questions, put them in here, talk, share this post, and any questions, just fire them across. So as soon as you walk in the shop or outside, you've actually got a load of sliders. Then you've got these nice new displays. Look at these. Then on the right hand side you walk in, you've got Nike Air Max. Now you need to forgive me everyone because I don't really know much about shoes, so I don't know names or anything like that. I know these are Air Jordans, I know these are Nike Air Max, and that's as far as my shoe knowledge goes. We've got Skechers at the bottom here. Well, they actually feel like Skechers as well. So Nike Air Max on the bottom, Uggs on the side. But look at this. All the kids' sizes just here. Again, Skechers at the bottom, Ugg sliders underneath. Let's go through. So if I just pick these up, for instance, these Nike Air Max. How much are these?
Just £15.
15?
Yes. or 2 for 25.
15, 2 for 25. Like £12.50 a pair.
Yes.
You what? Next ones. How much are these?
Still same.
Still same?
Yes, 12.50.
2 for 25.
Yes.
On all these, all the same, yeah?
Yes, all.
And these?
Yes, same price.
2 for 25. I remember we walked into a shop in Marmaris last year, me and my dad. We picked up some shoes. He didn't really want them, he just needed a pair for that week. Picked up a pair of shoes, and this is in Marmaris, and the guy goes, we said, how much? I said, give me your best price and I'll take it. He went, £50. I was like, we are not paying £50. But then you come over to Ishmael, Best Bargain Buys, and you've got £15 a pair here, or 2 for 25. Bargain.
Or £10.
£10 these ones. Right, let's go through quickly. Everyone, let me know what's your favourite pair. Put it in the comments. Look at these. And the kids ones, how much?
Just £10.
£10 as well. Are these kids?
£10 still same.
$2.70. Night.
3 for 25.
3 for 25.
For 25, yes.
Jesus. Everyone hit share now. How much are these? Dior stroke
Same,
Nike.
all the same.
£10 a pair.
Yeah, £10 all here, this collection.
£10, £10, £10, £10.
£10.
Listen, don't go to Turkey and get ripped off. Come over, go somewhere that you like the people. Don't get ripped off by prices. Don't feel pressured into buying something or paying a price that you don't want to pay.
325 kids.
Look at these. What about these ones?
All same. All kids same price.
This?
15.
15.
Yes. That's 1.5.
And these, I've just got a pair for Teddy. £10.
3 for 20.
3 for 25. Everybody listen, share this post now. Argue amongst yourselves which is the best. 3 for 25.
Yes. All of them.
That is a
all kids,
bargain.
All same price. 325.
All kids, 3 for 25. Back home, we pay more than 25 a pair. Back home. These ones?
2 for 15.
2 for 15.
Yes.
All these the same?
15. Yes, 2 for 15.
What are them?
All the same.
What nice you look nice in them.
Yes. 2 for 15. Yes.
2 for 15.
2 for 15.
2 for 15.
1.5. Yes.
Kids, 270s over here.
325. All kids.
Are these prices just for now? Do they go up in peak season?
No, all season same price.
All season, same price. So, if you come here,
When next time you come,
and my mate's not here,
prices.
his brother's here, where's he gone? His nephew's here,
And my brother's here.
and they will give you the same price that I'm saying right now. That's the price all summer, even in peak. What do you think? Put it in the comments, let me know. How far away from Marmaris? So, if you go to Marmaris, this is £6 in a taxi to get from Marmaris to Ishmael. 5 minutes in a taxi, it's not far at all. Ishmael is still classed as Marmaris. Marmaris is a city and Ishmael is part of it. The link is in the description. I hope we've helped you all out. Don't get ripped off. I'll see you on the next one.
Shuttle service also.
Huh?
We have free shuttle service as well.
Shuttle service?
Yes.
You'll pick them up?
Yes.
So they don't need to pay
We
£6
drop
in
them
a
off.
taxi?
Yes.
So why do I have to get a taxi here? Why do I have to get a taxi here? I didn't get a shuttle service. We need to talk about this.